Hey Blasters, Sean from Blue Dog Blasting again. Wanted to go over some safety features today. We're going to go over the whip check or safety cable as it's sometimes called. Now these things are just a safety feature. They're going to keep you safe on the job site, make sure that nobody gets hurt out there. Used in a bunch of different places on the blast machine. We're going to go over a couple with you right now. So the first one is the tank coupling to the hose coupling. Now for ease of use, we're going to go with the greener blast system because the tank coupling is up high. Ordinarily you go down to the metering valve and you find your tank coupling there. But essentially you just take your whip check, and we carry it in two different sizes, the 8110 and the 8111. Both of the sizes are listed on the website and we'll provide information for you there. You slide it over your hose and hose coupling, take the other side and you can pull that down, get it across there. And then you just hook up your tank coupling and your hose coupling, and that way if anything should pop off during operation, that's as far as it's going to go, because there's a lot of pressure behind these things, and if they break loose, you don't want a big chunk of aluminum, brass, or nylon swinging across the air and hit somebody. So you want to limit where it's going to go. So next up, we're going to go over where you can hook it up to the air. Alright, now that we've gone over the hose coupling to the tank coupling, another item or another place that you're going to be seeing some of these whip checks or safety cables is going to be your air inlet going to the machine, or your air supply. You can have 2-lug or 4-lug or any combination of fittings, but basically coming from your compressor, your supplied air going into your unit, you're going to want to put one of these safety whip checks over that air hose and over the coupling going into the machine. Once again, if something should happen, there's a lot of PSI going through those hoses. They're going to flail around. We don't want anybody hurt. Let's contain it where it's at, and that way we can get over to the compressor, shut it down. Alright guys, one of our other uses for the safety whip check or safety cables is going to be hose to hose, and you'll see that referred to a couple times throughout our website and other competition websites. And as I said, we do have two different sizes of the whip check. This one's our smaller version. This one I believe is the 8110. Now I'm using that, two sections of coupled hose, which generally you see on the dustless blast systems, but today I'm just going to use this as an example to show you hose to hose. So you go over one side of your hose with your safety cable. Again, you pull down, it's all spring loaded on a braided cable line. These are made by Nico, so they're good quality pieces to keep you safe. And then now that you got both of them connected, they're not going to go too far apart if something should happen. And as always, you just put your hose couplings together, and it's easy as that. Thank you for your time. I hope we learned something today. We've got a bunch of different safety equipment on our website, but the whip checks and everything are going to be listed below. Stop by, get yours today. Thanks.